In this video, we're diving into the world of database management. First, log into your FlyWP account by entering your email and password. Next, select the server you want to access. Feeling adventurous? Great. Click on Database to proceed. There's a little security secret. It's turned off by default. No worries. Just click on Enable phpMyAdmin to unlock the treasure chest. Now ready to log in. Use your database credentials to access phpMyAdmin. When you create a server, you will receive a magical email containing all the server details, including your database credentials. Please check your email for your database credentials, which you will need for login access. Use these credentials directly to log into your database. For extra security though, it's way cooler to log in as a non-root user using the site-specific username and password from your server setup email. You've successfully learned how to manage your databases using FlyWP and phpMyAdmin. Just remember to enable phpMyAdmin only when you need it, and always log in with the right credentials for that added security flair. Thanks for joining this adventure and keep conquering those databases. Happy managing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.